Okay, so we have these thermal emergency blankets. It's just a silver Mylar blanket here that Cobra, they actually sent these to us so that we could show them to you. But you can see that they're 52 by 82, and I'm afraid if I unfold it, I'll never get it back in the packet. But these weigh nothing. They're like 2 ounces they weigh, and they're so small and lightweight and easy. They take up no space, and they weigh nothing. So really, it's super handy that you could take it anywhere with you. You could put it in your purse or your bag or your backpack or your diaper bag, or you could put it in your car or take it to the office or your running pack or whatever. And it's really important to have this because when you're in the situation where you need to reflect the heat back onto you in the event of an urgent situation, like if you need to prevent hypothermia or something like that, they're waterproof, they're tear-proof, they're windproof, they're reusable. You can use it like a blanket, you can use it like a ground cover or a sleeping bag or even a shelter or lean-to to barrier out the weather and the rain and the wind and all that kind of stuff. So really super duper nice, and I'm excited to have these. We're going to put these in our packs there. So good stuff. Thanks for sending those.